ಚೈತು ಏ ரெடி ஆயிட்டியா? நீ இன்னும் ரெடி ஆகலன்னு நினைச்சேன் நான். ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம தாப்போலிக்கு போகிறோம். ஓகே, அப்புறம் அங்கே அந்த வாட்டர் பார்க்கில் அதுவும் ஓப்பன் ஆயிடுச்சான். ஸோ நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். லெட்ஸ் சி, லெட்ஸ் கீப் அவர் ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் crossed. ஓகே, சலோ லெட்ஸ் கோ.
Okay guys, so starting off with it, we have a lot of other trees, a lovely swing. This is the house, well, yeah. And then this is another small plant, and this is a plant, but as you can see that's rubber right there, guys. Then, yep, those are mango trees. That's a big farm, isn't it, guys? Yep. And I know I haven't been uploading for a while, but it is coming to uploads. Yep. Yep, this is the cow shed. Yeah, that's the thing they feed to cows. I actually just realized that. Yeah. And this is where we wash our legs. They what do we say? They wash their, well, utensils and other things, plates, utensils. And this is the back of the house, and it is so awesome, guys. Yep, that's a well. So these are, well, they're all melons. Yep, watermelons, not muskmelons at all, just watermelons. This is the watermelon farm. It's so cool, like it's awesome. Look at those watermelons, they're so big. They are so big. So this is like harvesting time. This is when they take all the watermelons and all. And yeah, that's a big farm. And we are gonna go right inside of it. Believe it or not, like you're gonna see it right now. Yep, they waited. That's what we are gonna get home. Yep, perfect. And now let's go right back into the farm. Hey guys, as we go here, we pass through a lot of melons, like a lot of watermelons. And then, yeah, there are some small watermelons, some big watermelons, and later on, I'll even show you the flower of the watermelon. And can you see that? Those are corns. So, like, it's a watermelon and corn farm, like it's mixed. Yeah. So, if we go here, there are a lot. See, guys, they carry, like, they take the watermelons and then they carry it back to where first I showed you guys, like, you know, the in which we wait and all. They go there and drop it. Yep, look at this, he just takes it. Look at this, guys. Yep, one watermelon harvested, just like that. Easy, easy. But it's actually hard. Like, no, it's actually hard. Yeah. That's cool, isn't it? That's cool. This is awesome, guys. It's so big. And look at those corns. Look at those corns. Look at those corns. Those are so awesome. So, can you see these white things? That's where they drop the water so that it evenly goes to all the plants and all the plants get watered. Yeah, that's awesome. Like, can you see? You can actually, like, See water in that. Yep. So they have it for like every, I don't know, what, 100 centimeters, like for some distance they have that, so that it evenly spreads to all the plants, and you just gotta water like one place, like boom, that's it, all plants done. Did you see that? That's a flower. That's a flower. Yep. பாபா நம்ம இப்ப எங்க போறோம்?
பேபி நாம இப்போ இங்க நம்ம வந்திருக்கோம்ல சோன் மால், நம்ம மாமா, என்னோட மாமா வீடு, உன்னோட மாமா அஜோபா வீடு. இங்க வந்து ஒரு வாட்டர் பார்க் ஒன்று இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? அது ஓப்பனா இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க. கீழே கால் கிட்ட இருக்கிறத பார்த்துக்கோ, பத்திரமா கீழே விழுந்துருக்கும்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
இப்போ நம்ம அங்கே போக போகிறோம். ஓப்பனாக இருக்கா பார்ப்போம். ஓப்பனாக இருந்தால் அங்கே வாட்டர் கேம்ஸில் நம்ம கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஜாலியாக விளையாடிட்டு வருவோம். எவ்வளோ சின்ன ரோடு பார்த்தியா? இதில் இந்த மலை பாபு மாமா வருது.
ஓ
ஆனா இது வேண்டாம்னு இருக்காரு.
ஓகே
இவ்வளவு தூரம் வந்து அவரால் இதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல.
ஓகே
இதை பாரு, இதான் அதுக்கு கேட்டு.
ஓ ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே
இதுக்கு இங்கேயும் மாமாவோட எல்லாரும் சொல்றோம்.
ஓ சரி பாப்பா, இங்கெல்லாம் ஸ்ட்ரீட் லைட்டே இல்லையே. நைட் ஆச்சுன்னா எப்படி தெரியும்?
நைட் ஆச்சுன்னா கும் இருட்டா இருக்கும். கையில டார்ச் லைட் இல்லாம இங்க வரவே முடியாது. அதனால தான் பாபு மாமா எப்போ பாரு கையில ஒரு டார்ச் லைட்டோட சொல்லிருக்காரு.
அப்படியா?
டார்ச் லைட் இஸ் a must. You may not know. இப்போ நீ இதை ஷூட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க. இப்போ ஒரு டைகர் நடுவில் வந்தாலும் ஒரு 4 டைகர்ஸ் இருக்கு.
ஓ
ஆமா, if you are lucky, you may catch a tiger now.
அப்படின்னா என்னோட சேனல்ல, அந்த டைகர்ஸ் சேனல்ல டைகரும் வரலாமா?
Yes.
செம்ம பாபா.
இப்போ நமக்கு தெரியலாம்.
ஓகே ஓகே. ஓ இப்போ தெரியலாமா? ஓ மை காட், செம்ம பாபா. சரி ஓகே, டைகர் வந்துச்சுன்னா அப்புறம் நம்ம ஷூட்டிங் எடுப்போம். இப்போ அதுக்கு
ஷூட்டிங் எடுக்கும்போதே வந்துச்சுன்னா
ஓ அப்படி சொல்றீங்களா? சரி சரி, அப்படின்னா எடுத்துட்டே
டைகர் வந்த உடனே உனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தோணாது. அம்மா டைகரு எங்க வரும்னு காமிக்கிறேன். யூஸ்வலா டைகர் எங்க தெரியுமா வரும்? லெஃப்ட்ல பாரு.
அம்மா
இதோ இந்த தண்ணி தெரியுதா?
அம்மா
இதோ இங்க
ஆ
இந்த தண்ணி குடிக்கிறதுக்காக வரும் டைகர்.
ஓ அப்படியா? ஓ ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
டைகர் ஸ்பாட்டிங் ஸ்பாட்.
டைகர் ஸ்பாட்டிங். சரி, இன்னும் எவ்வளோ தூரம் நம்ம வாட்டர் பார்க்கா?
இன்னும் ஒரு ஊர் வரும், ஒரு குட்டி வில்லேஜ். அந்த வில்லேஜ் கிராஸ் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் வாட்டர் பார்க்.
பாப்பா என்ன பாப்பா இது? இதெல்லாம்
ஓ
ஓ கோட்டா. வாவ், செம்ம கியூட்டா இருக்கு பாப்பா. எங்க இருக்கு தெரியும்? எங்க இருக்கு வரும்?
So this is actually a mountain that we are in. இங்க பாத்தியா மவுண்டன் தெரியுது?
ஆமா.
ஓகேவா? இது மவுண்டன். நம்ம மவுண்டன்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு ஊர்ல ஒரு வீட்ல இருக்கும். அதனால தான் நமக்கு என்ன ஆகுது, காலையில டெம்பரேச்சர் நேற்று காலையில 9 டிகிரிஸ் இருக்கு.
ஓ
இன்னைக்கு பரவாயில்ல, 18 டிகிரிஸ் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு.
ஓகே.
அதனால நம்ம குளிர் கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா இருக்கு.
ஆமா, நான் நேத்திக்கு வந்திருந்தோமே நம்ம. ஐயோ செம குளிர் பாபா.
அண்ட் இந்த ஃபாரஸ்ட், இந்த மலையோட இந்த இது லெஃப்ட்லயும் நான் நேற்று காலைல பஸ்ல வரும்போது சொன்னால பாபு மாமா வீடு வந்துருச்சுடான்னு. இந்த மவுண்டன் ரேஞ்ச் தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா நம்ம பாபு மாமா வீட்டுக்கிட்ட வந்துட்டோம்னு அர்த்தம்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
புரியுதா? 2 சைட்லயும் இந்த மாதிரி தெரியும் அந்த மவுண்டன், இந்த ராக்ஸ்.
ஓகே. சூப்பர் பாபா. சரி ஓகே, வாங்க போலாம்.
This is the water park.
Okay, now to get in.
So I'm also going to get into this.
Okay, so as you can see, these are the watermelons we just saw in the farm. And the water park was fun, but this is even more fun, guys. This watermelon was so yummy and so tasty, guys. Believe it or not, was like it. This is watermelon season, guys. So watermelons are yummy in its own seasons, like all fruits and vegetables. So as you can see, that juicy watermelon. Yep, that's what we are gonna eat, and it's going to be awesome.
Chaito,
என்னது இது?
நம்ம இப்போ மாமாவோட கார்டன் தோட்டம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஏதாவது ஸ்னேக் கீக் வந்துருச்சுன்னா நம்மளை பாதுகாத்துக்க வேண்டாமா? திஸ் இஸ் டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் அஸ் ஃப்ரம் எனி ரெப்டைல்ஸ். ஓகே,
எனக்கு பயமா இருக்கு.
கம் ஆன், லெட்ஸ் கோ. டோன்ட் வரி, ஐ அம் தேர். நோ, லெட்ஸ் கோ. चलो.
Why are you speaking in English and killing English? Just speak in Tamil, please.
சரி, வா போலாம்.
Baba, I brought you to see a cow.
இப்போ நீ ஏன்டா இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுற?
Let's just talk in English.
Okay, but I am scared of cows. I mean, I'm scared of everything. Cows also. Do you
Why?
think we should go inside to meet the cow? Say hi to him.
Sure.
Are you kidding me?
I put the food before the cow.
Try going inside. See, she's breathing as out. Can you see that?
She's changed, don't worry. She won't come until here and all.
Sure.
Yeah. I went all the way until here. She don't do nothing.
She won't do anything?
No. Don't go too close.
Because you went and gave her food, I think she's expecting food from you. Shall we get her food?
No.
Yes. Mama showed us, no?
Sure.
We will take food from there. Come, I'll show you.
Oh yeah, that food.
Yes. Come on.
Sure.
ரைட்டு இங்கேருந்து தான் மாமா அந்த பலாப்பழத்தோட குட்டி குட்டி இதெல்லாம் எடுத்தாரு.
Okay.
அது ஏதாவது கிடைக்குதா பாரு. அதுதான் அம்மாக்கு ஃபுட்டுன்னு கொடுக்கலாம் நம்ம போய்.
Mama, cow.
கவு இதோ.
Oh wow, this is so cool.
Okay, Chaitu, this is what we came for. Jackfruits, small jackfruits, which cows like. Now let us go and feed the cow. Chaitu, now you will go and feed.
Show your hand. Baba, you have to face your fears. Go.
Are you kidding me, Munu?
Yes, I am.
Oh my God.
See? Did anything happen?
See, it's eating.
Did anything happen now?
No.
I went all the way there and put food.
Oh my God. Really scary. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Chaito, now we are entering the mango. What do you say for
The mango place, the mango
no,
forest.
there is something. We will Google it later. Come, now let's see the mango trees. Okay,
Yeah.
come on here. Stop. Can you see that? The flowers in the
this?
mango tree.
What are these?
They are the flowers. Now the mangoes will start. You will start getting mangoes. Matlab, आता है बघ.
So this
Now
whole
see.
thing will
Wait,
become
don't
one mango.
touch it.
This one whole thing will become one mango.
No. Each and every flower will become a mango.
Oh my
See,
God.
can you see this? There is also a small mango that has come.
How can that
See?
much? How can that much mangoes fit there?
That is the beauty. Okay. See here, there is one small mango. Can you see this? You see this? Okay.
Yeah.
So now the small mango will take 90 days to become a full mango, and then see all these mango trees now have flowers. Can you see here?
God, this comes all the way down.
Yes, Chaito. Can you see it has come all the way down? And you know, when you come in the May month, you can just put a bed sheet here. You can sleep on the sheet and you can eat the mangoes. Lying down, you can eat the mangoes. But that doesn't happen actually. What Mamaji said was, they will give a stick here, okay, and they will lift this up
Okay.
so that this will not be on the ground.
Okay.
So it is lifted up, and then it's like a support is given so that it will, you know, become
Okay.
really good big mangoes. Otherwise it's on the floor, it may not become that big, you know. Okay.
All of these are mango trees.
And everything is mango tree here. Let's see, let's continue.
Yeah.
So after these mango trees, no, we will get to cashew.
Cashew?
Yeah,
What do you mean cashew?
cashew.
Cashew
you know,
tree?
cashew. Yeah, the same one.
That comes on trees?
Yeah.
How does cashew come on trees?
And you know something? We even found peacock, not feathers, but peacock feathers. They grow on the body of the peacock in a tube, white color tube like thing.
Yeah.
That was found there in the cashew field.
Wow.
Not field, cashew, whatever they say. Okay, so it means that in this mama's thing we also get peacocks come here in the mornings. Mamaji says early morning, if you come at around 6:30 na, you will get to see peacocks.
Cool. Now
Okay.
let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Are
Chalo.
there actually cashews?
I'll show you. Wait and watch.
Is it in the white color?
We will see. Come on. Mano, did you see the cashew?
Yes, Baba. You're right. There are actually cashews.
Yes. So this is actually the season for cashew. Cashew is in the months of February, March and April.
Oh.
And mango starts April, May, June.
Yeah, and how is cashew pink?
How is cashew pink? Yeah, it first starts as pink. Come here. I'll show you. Can you see? These are pink flowers. Okay?
Yeah.
So from these pink flowers, the cashew starts coming like this. Can you see these two?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you see the small, there is a beak kind of a
but
thing?
that doesn't come in normal cashews.
No, after it grows, after it becomes, ripe, then it becomes white in color. Matlab, it doesn't become white in color in the tree. Inside this is its outer cover.
Oh,
You have
like
to
a
peel it
coconut.
off. When you peel it off, you can see that white color. And this small bark you can see,
Yeah.
this will become into a big fruit. It will sometimes become yellow in color, sometimes
So
pink
there
in
will
color.
be 2-3 cashews in one cashew.
No, there will be only one cashew.
But
There cannot
how
be two or
is this
three.
much big?
As this becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, this cashew will start ripening.
Oh.
So it is like that. And this is all cashew trees of mamas. This is all these things. These are all cashew trees.
And what is that? There, the other side of the wall.
Nothing, it is someone else's.
Okay.
Okay? So can you see there is also a Nilgiri tree that is in their plot. But in our plot we have a Nilgiri tree here. See this? Eucalyptus. This is called as eucalyptus.
Yeah.
From which Nilgiri is made. Hey, look. Can you see this big tree?
Yeah.
That is eucalyptus tree. Okay? And if you walk through here, this is where we had seen peacock. I told you, feathers.
Yeah.
This is where peacocks come. Okay? This is the place where the peacocks have lot of fun. Early in the morning if you come, you will be able to spot peacocks here. Today morning we had spotted some peacock feathers. Let's see whether we get to see. See? Lift it. Can you see that? They are all peacock feathers. Okay? But we are not that lucky that we couldn't get the full peacock feathers. Maybe it was an old peacock. Maybe it was a bald peacock like your Baba. Maybe. So all its feathers have fallen down. Now we don't need this. Keep it. Put it. Okay? So that is the garden, the field, whatever you call it.
Are we actually leaving today?
Yeah, today we are going back to Thana. That's it. Our trip will come to an end today. Okay? So did you have fun?
Yeah.
Let's go.
तुला बाग आवडली का कशी वाटली
छान होती.
तू येऊन राहशील का इथे
हो.
हा
मी मे महिन्यात येणारच.
मे महिन्यात येणार ना
एप्रिल नाही मी, कारण एप्रिल मध्ये कॅशूज येतात.
एप्रिलमध्ये कॅश्यू येतो आणि मे महिन्यामध्ये आंबा येईल तेव्हा तू येशील का आंबा खायला
हो.
आणि झोपून खाणार का त्या झाडाखाली हा झोपून खाणार का त्या झाडाखाली नक्की ओके वेलकम आम्ही वाट बघतो तुझी हा
It's so dark.
What is so dark?
That is nothing. That's so dark.
Yeah, there is nothing, so it will be dark, obviously. What is there? There is nothing, so it is dark. What is there? Let's
That's
see.
pitch black.
Oh, it's a road. Oh my god, we cannot see anything on the other side.
How?
Maybe
is
it's
it,
because of
right?
this light. I will go a little bit forward and check it out. Oh my god. What is this?
It's nothing. Oh my god, there are so many stars.
And I can see a moon on the road. Ah, how can a moon be on the road?
That is a flashlight, Baba.
Okay.
Oh my god, there are so many stars.
Is it so? I think we won't be able to. Baby, see the stars.
That is so cool.
It's visible. I thought we will not be able to get the stars in the sky.
It is so cool.
And that is the biggest star, I suppose.
Yeah. And the closest. Ah, what's this?
See, that is a bus coming on the road. Now I
Is this
can
our
see.
bus?
Yes. I think so. Let's see whether it is Ashwini. Let's check it out.
Yeah. It is our bus.
ठाणा पार्टी आहे ठाण्याची आपली 3 सीट आहेत होय पार्टी गाडी आहे
Oh, that was not ours, baby.
We are again in the pitch dark.
Yeah.
We are again in the pitch dark.
But at least now we know that there is a road here.
Yeah, thank. It's a motorcycle.
तो ब्रेक असा वारेल ना मग नंतर आपल्याला माखांच्यावर
Light.
गुरुजी पण गेले
Yes.
मी तुमच्या ओळखीतली गोष्ट आहे हो म्हणजे काय होता नाही
And I do not think it's a bus.
म्हणजे अनुपच्या शाळेत पहिली
It's not a bus, Baba. Baba, the bus is here. But is it our bus?
I don't know, Mano. Now I don't have. But it should be. There cannot be many buses on this dark, pitch dark road.
Pitch black.
Pitch black. So I think it should be ours. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
Yes,
It's
it's ours.
stopping.
ठाणा ठाणावाडी गावतोय चला जरा बसा पहिले ही गाडी कुठली येते तुझी बरोली तीन सीट आहेत हे चला हे दापोली की गावतळा गाडीच भेटेल फोन केला हा ठीक आहे
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.